Another fine Corvette from my father's personal collection, 1963 through 1967. He puts together these information boards with each car, has the NCRS shipping report, copy of a Windows sticker, all the breakdown of the information, owner's manual. He bought this one because the colors, the maroon with the matching maroon interior is what really did it for him. He said if they had black, he wouldn't have bought it. And really what caught his eye, it's a loaded car. Factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, power antenna, knockoff wheels, red line tires, beautiful colors, ground up restored 2,500 miles ago, numbers matching. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see about 200 classic cars for sale, including the Corvette collection. That's where you find a price on every car, including this one, with the finance option as well. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. You're going to see some great videos of some old cars. The body is excellent on this car. The headlights fit about as good as any I've ever seen. The key is to see if the corner of the headlight and the corner of the body are the same contour, and they are really spot on this car. So this is all beautiful, straight, fits nice, all nice, no damage. I don't see any cracking, all looking really good. All this lines up real nicely. Shuts beautifully. All lines up, the lid, all nice and clean. Body's looking great. Looking really good. Nice, straight, fits real nice. No issues, no damage that I'm seeing. Really good. It is its original color. Is this Marlboro maroon? I think Milano maroon in 66. And I just noticed when the light hit it, there is some nice tiny metal flake. Actually, a lot of it's beautiful when the light hits it. And overall, the paint is gorgeous. You will find, a minor imperfection here or there. I noticed there's some little chips touched up on the edge of the door. Here's a fingerprint that'll wipe off. Well, now that I'm bent down, I see some little tiny pimples on the surface of the paint right in through here. Beautiful, shiny. It's wet sanded, smooth like glass. There is a hairline crack, literally about the size of an eyelash in the paint. Bumpers are beautiful. The cross flag emblems look new, even on the fenders. Windshield might be original, but in very good shape. I can see some real faint wiper marks. Yeah, it has the original stamp on it still. Air conditioning was such a big deal back then, they actually put stickers on the windows to brag. The car has air. It's a big deal. Homes didn't have air, let alone putting it in a Corvette convertible. It was about 10% of the cost of the car extra to add air. The fuzzy seals have been replaced. Rubber seal looks good. All this looks very nice. Door handle shiny. These look to be good. There's a faint mark, where the top sits on the body. They all get that. This one's not bad at all. They replaced the emblems, the gas lid, bumpers, all that looks beautiful. Tail lights might be original. The chrome. Power antenna works. Check out the pictures on our website. It has a tan convertible top. My dad also liked that. It's just rich. The maroon with the maroon and the tan top, beautiful looking. And there are good pictures on the website. We'll open the lid here in just a minute. Got the bow tie mirror. Tires and wheels. My dad put those on there. These are brand new. So as the nubs on the tread, radial redline BF Goodrich tires with the knockoff wheels. So that really makes a Corvette pop when you put those on. Now let's open it up, see what we got inside. Now Michael and Nico have been making some great test drive videos where they demonstrate the car. You can find them on our YouTube channel. That's why you need to subscribe. Or if you're on our website, if there is a video made, there'll be a link to it right in the pictures. Door jambs look really nice. That's fresh. Weather strips look new. Door latches look new. Sill plates are new. Door panels are new. They look great. Even up front by the hinges, it's all painted real nice. All of this is really clean. Look how nice the gauges are. 2,500 miles, that's since it was restored. Nothing's beat up or broken. The dash pads, this whole area is looking really sharp. Looks like the bezels and the knobs are new. All the gauges work. clock was upgraded with quartz movement. Original AM/FM radio. Glove box door looks new. All the interior lights work, even the glove box. New liner. This is our inspection chart. Even down under the dash, this ductwork's usually broken or duct taped. This all looks really good. Interior lights work. All new carpet, front to back, fits real nicely. It's not all wrinkled up. The console's real nice. You know, the Power Glide automatic was an option. That cost more money than the manual trans. Power windows. Looks like brand new reproduction seat belts. Cushions are really nice in the seats. I'm sure they've been replaced. So with new cushions, you get a nice feel, but you also get upholstery that fits real nice with no wrinkles. So this is new upholstery as well. The backs of the seats might be new. They look excellent. I told you a carpet front to back was redone. In the compartment here, it does have the jack assembly and the lead hammer. That's for knocking the spinners off on the knockoff wheels. Convertible top, all the framework, the rubber, all that looks really nice. The top is new, still has the tag on it. So yeah, really nice interior. And then the steering wheel. I didn't even notice this. This is actual teak wood wheel. This is not the plastic. This is an actual wood wheel. Another option on the list. Comfort and luxury. This is a Corvette. You just put it in drive, you go cruising, turn on the air, you got power steering and brakes. It is numbers matching. I don't know if I mentioned that. And we go as far as checking the casting codes, the dates, you know, lining all that up, and that's what's on that board that I'll show you in a minute. 327, 300 horsepower, all stock, dual snorkel air cleaner, manifolds, ignition shielding. Here's the power brake system. Power steering is hiding down there. All nice, clean. Looks like new wiring harness here. And factory air. It does work. Has the original choke style tube coming off the carburetor. Very authentic, very clean in here. It's very nice. So it looks good. And now this board we were talking about, again, it has the numbers and codes listed for everyone to see. And this is just nice to bring with the car shows when people ask about your car. There's the information. My dad puts that together in just about all of his Corvettes. You know what? I'm pretty sure I called this car a 1966 in the beginning. It is a 65, and that's the first year they came out with disc brakes, and they put it at all four wheels. So this is a power four-wheel disc brake car. Do that in a second. Underneath is exceptionally nice. It looks like the rest of the car. The frame, the floor is all smooth, clean, painted. All the independent suspension front and rear looks fresh and clean, and even the paint finishes look nice. The dual exhaust system's in excellent shape. It's a factory style dual exhaust, goes all the way out the back with the polished slash cut tips coming out through the valance. We make sure they are polished. Yes, they are. They look like they're stainless steel. You look up at the motor, clean Chevy orange, has the canister type oil filter like it's supposed to have. Lower ignition shielding around the wires. The starter looks proper. Power Glide transmissions, nice and clean. It's the correct one. It's still not latching. We'll have to, oh, there it goes. 336 gears in the back, so nice cruising gears. So again, to recap, this is a luxury Corvette loaded with options, beautifully restored, been serviced. It's from my dad's collection. It's numbers matching. Comfortable car. Just go enjoy the afternoon with this one. Go to volocars.com first, though. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.